Finally, the Congress party is holding a meeting to kind of wipe out or iron out the entire mess over the seat sharing. The meeting is going on at the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. Rahul Gandhi is also present at the meeting. Seat sharing talks are of course going to be important. Arunima is now joining us with details. Arunima, the biggest challenge really for them is how to balance the aspirations of the Congress cadre with the entire picture of the Mahagathbandhan.
Yes, and that's an onus that RJD has put on the Congress, saying you should be showing a larger heart and accommodate smaller parties. Left very good strike rate last election, so they are wanting to get some seats on which Congress feels their candidate has a winnability chance. VIP, VIP party's Saini has already declared himself as the Deputy Chief Minister, even though Mahagathbandhan has not yet told us whether Tejasvi Yadav is their Chief Ministerial face. So there are various pulls and pressures, and we have around less than 30 hours now since the first phase of the nomination process ends, and they have still not come up and declared their seats. Even as the NDA, first the BJP, then the JDU, they have declared all their candidates. So this is also a perception that is gaining ground, that if this Mahagathbandhan is voted to power, it will be a divided house, and in a divided house, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have often reminded us that in Dr. Manmohan Singh's government, alliance partners had so much sway and there was so much allegation of corruption that Dr. Manmohan Singh couldn't do much. So they will bring that back, that this is a divided house, nobody will have any control over anyone, and ultimately people of Bihar will suffer. Congress and the Mahagathbandhan will have to get their act together in no time now.
And Arunima, the point is, voters want a stable government. They want something which is certainly offered to them.
Yes.
So when you have the alliance or the Mahagathbandhan looking so uncertain, I'm sure the voters will ask, you can't even sort out your seat sharing, hame stable sarkar kahan se doge?
Well, absolutely. On the one hand, there is Prime Minister Modi's leadership in Delhi and Nitish Kumar's leadership in Patna. They have a track record to show. More than three, this is the third term for Prime Minister Modi. Nitish Kumar has been in the saddle for almost 2 decades now. They have something to bring to the table and show that this is what governance looks like. This is what development looks like. And on the other hand, NDA is making sure to contrast Lalu's era and Rabri's era and say that Tejasvi Yadav will not be any different. So that contrast in governance, the stability that you're talking about, is definitely something that NDA will play going forward. And if Congress and RJD can't get their act together, they're starting on the back foot.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Arunima. While we keep track and a watch on that big meeting which is taking place, will they be able to sort out their differences? That's the big question. But staying with Bihar is